Hey guys, I just want to pop on here and do a quick video. I've got to clock in the post office in about less than 5 minutes, but I recently got a blue box, Goodwill blue box, boot box, and I released a video this morning. Not even 5 minutes later, I get a refund from Goodwill. It's coincidence probably, because I know they didn't watch the video. But I got a refund for that specific boot box order. I never reached out to them and told them how crappy the box was. I did hear, you know, Holly from Hunter Ryan said that her box was crappy, and I'm sure other people's were. But immediately after they refunded it, I got a call from Florida, which I know that's where their main setup is out of for the blue boxes. And I answered it, and it was them, and they just wanted to let me know that there was a quality issue, and that they refunded my money. And well, at that point they missed the shipping, but they also refunded me the shipping for that box, and they just wanted to apologize. And I thought that was kind of awesome customer service. I just wanted to let you guys know. So if there's ever a problem with your boxes, your mystery boxes, I mean, they're always a gamble. You're not going to get what you hope for, but if it's crap that you can't sell, because that's basically, he said that that's their main thing, is that they get all these mystery boxes and they're geared towards resellers. I mean, he specifically said that. So, you know, if they're crap and there is a quality control issue, like he said, it's mainly out of his New York and New Jersey fulfillment areas this time. So, and that's where mine was out of, is like Hackensack, New Jersey. So if you guys have a problem, definitely reach out. They are very customer service oriented, definitely not like other places I've dealt with. No names, but they're all for making it right. So yeah, so here's to the beginning of a crappy day that just got better. So y'all have a great day.